We are live, as Impala would say. We're doing a. Are you serious? Crazy. We're do, crazy. We're doing a. What's up, y'all? We are doing. I'm doing a Outback Steakhouse mukbang. Okay, so let's get in. That's it. Not really, no. The fuck? Is that a joke? The fuck? Hell no. What? Want somebody to yell at me the whole movie, I will call my mother. What? I'm trying to hear that. What? The new one? Yo, it is so hard to find the movie. Dennis the Menace. Do they have Logan? Or throw like trying to think of a guy flick. You wanna watch Beekeeper again? Oh, okay. All right, y'all. So today, okay, y'all. So today I have lobster tail, an 8 ounce steak. No, 6 ounce, I think. 6 ounce steak, well done. And I got a baked potato. I had ordered some rice, but they did not pack it, so refund. I got a refund for that because y'all did not pack my rice. So now I'm stuck with one side, but it's fine. I don't need all that starch and stuff anyway, so yeah, and then they gave us a little, look at this loaf of bread that they gave us. So yeah. So I'm gonna taste the bread first. So I'm gonna wait for Impala to get here. Okay. I want some bread. I'm hungry. So we're gonna taste the bread first.
What's up, everybody? Eats like kings and queens today.
This is butter.
So my rice, got the joke to be on.
We're watching the Joker. This bread is good.
Hell yeah. Badass lobster tail.
Right, look at the lobster tail. Look how fat it is. It's like a BBL.
Yeah.
He's over there mashing his mash.
Can't flash how fast. I know this bitch doing so. Our steak sauce.
You can put the A1.
It's still going on, man.
Okay, so put the steak sauce. Ooh, that shit smells strong. Put a little bit, 'cause I don't like too much of that. Okay, so we're gonna try the steak first. We're watching. Are we gonna go see the new Joker?
Absolutely.
I get mine well done, so this shit is tough as hell.
Rice man, brother.
Jeez. It is all tough, but that is the steak. Hold on, I'm gonna cut these other pieces up because this shit tough, no lie.
It's tough like Lando.
I see why people get they shit pink. I mean, thing, but medium well and shit. But I like my shit.
Grab some salt.
I like my shit tough and well done, but it's not bad. Look, y'all can see it's not bad. It's cooked very well done. That's why that shit's so tough. Lord have mercy.
Like y'all stole his sign in a Joker movie.
I don't know how he got in trouble for getting his signs stolen.
Yeah, so yeah, his ass beat is crazy.
Okay, you can use this because it's a tough steak. You're gonna need all that strength. Okay, so they give us a butter. They give us melted butter, so put that on there. Put it all over the lobster.
I ate my steak like that.
Oh, you don't, you didn't cut it up? That's hilarious. So we got the steak sauce here, so put it on one of the steak. So mess it with the steak sauce.
Gotta let that go out.
It's chewy.
Slide a little bit. My bad, yeah.
No, you're good. I paused it. Well, the rice is good.
Sure.
That rice is mad good.
Yeah, big bad big
They would
shower.
have bring me my rice. They would have brought me my rice. The cameras were that way?
Yeah, what's sure fun.
Okay. Excuse me. Well, yeah, so that's it with the steak sauce. Let's try it without anything.
Mashed potatoes. At home.
This is the rice.
So,
The rice, y'all. Mm-hmm. Now that's what I'm talking about right there.
sit right there.
Mm-hmm.
Cheers to a prosperous 32 years on earth. New
Cheers.
year, new money. 32 better than 31.
It already is.
That's all you can do on life. Well,
It's already good. Yeah, I'll take a little bit. My plate is kind of full right now, so yeah. He's gonna throw that shit in the corner.
from the trenches, fam. You ready for yourself? I had girl.
God. What do you rate the Joker movie?
I gave it 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5.
That's a Batman movie.
Did you like how they kind of connected? Like,
Yeah, I'm excited to see what they do with it. I heard the new one will be a musical though, so
oh, okay.
I'm a little iffy with musicals.
Like Sweeney Todd, maybe?
Maybe.
Did you know Sweeney Todd it? Nah, Sweeney Todd wasn't bad though. That was a cool musical.
You could Sweeney Todd it.
Wonka was a good musical too. I enjoyed that. Usually I don't like musicals, but I don't know why? Because in all Indian movies, there's always a musical in every Indian movie. They're like they don't.
Damn, that good.
What's that? Oh, the bread. Yeah, the bread is good.
Black ass friend.
That's that brown bread.
Oh,
So all Indian movies have musicals in it, so I'm used to musicals. So yeah,
it's gonna be interesting when they go with Lady Gaga in there, right?
yeah. Lady Gaga is his, I guess, Harley Quinn.
Like,
So that should be interesting. Love me some Lady Gaga. Shout out to her.
never seen her act bad yet. Like American Horror Story. She never was
Yeah, she
bad.
did too good on that one. That one she played a little too well. American Horror Story. She played that a little too well.
Why that baby staring at him like that? Try to curse his ass out. It's like when people stare at you on the train or bus.
Mm-mm. When people stare at me, I get nervous. Like, why? What are you looking at? Mm.
Shit kid bothering me. Fuck.
Stop bothering my kid.
Bitch, your kid staring at me. You on the same bus I'm on.
You the
You
violator.
should have fucked the nigga with a car, bitch.
That's why he
Lucky,
laughing.
lucky I ain't on the bus.
That's why he laughing. That's what he just thought in his brain. He just roasting her in his brain right now. He
Mm.
learned that yesterday.
If you on the bus complaining, you need to fuck a nigga with a car. Fuck. That baby in everybody's face like this.
I'll find her daddy.
Um, he got a whole condition.
People don't care about that shit.
I gotta tell you, pop on you.
Hmm?
Your child stared at me for 7 minutes straight, but I'm the crazy one. That child ain't blinking. You'd have been thanks.
Stare at people, so I don't know why them especially kids, they love to stare at
This
you.
nigga live in Highbridge, and y'all ask him why he crazy. It's crazy.
That's a fact.
This nigga live with A Boogie and them niggas. Huh?
A boogie with the hoodie.
Joe good dirty Bronx nigga. Y'all ask him why he crazy.
Nah, that got him.
He ain't even the craziest nigga on this street, bro. That's man.
That's normal.
It ain't tripping. Everybody like that.
Let's take the panties off.
He ain't got no hot skin. Bro, every building I done lived in or visited people in got a nigga that look like the Joker in it.
That's a fact. I'm pretty sure I
And he
see
be the most normalest nigga. Like,
a couple people in our place that look like that.
yeah, as long as you don't bother them, all right.
That's a fact.
People be going out. People be going out their ways to bother people. All right. We know we have cameras. Lady, my building is So with the
Yeah, I went to pick my mail up. I went to pick up my nephew's or niece's, no, my niece's Christmas gift downstairs before I left in the morning because I was gonna go see her. She gonna say, "Oh, this lady gonna pop out of nowhere." I didn't even see her. Like, where did she come from?
that's your first Karen experience.
Yeah,
And
she.
your friend, like, as this, you picked the package up and she was just staring at you.
Yeah, like I didn't see her anywhere. I went, reached down, got the package, looked up, and she was right behind me, acting like she was looking for packages. Like, bitch, where did you come from? One, two, it's too early for this. Get the fuck out my face.
What time was it?
8 o'clock.
In the morning?
Mm-hmm.
That's a morning Karen. She been up since 5. That bitch been up since 5.
5 hours
If you
ago.
go downstairs at 8 to check a package, your ass been up since 5.
Yeah, so she was like, "Oh, there's a lot of missing packages."
Which
I'm
is
like,
true.
I said, "Yeah, I know." Oh, that's why they put that camera, and she pointed at the camera. I'm like, okay.
What was you wearing?
Leggings, a hoodie,
What color?
black.
We had all black.
Mm-hmm.
Your hood was on.
Yeah.
You look like you still. I mean, eh, if I go downstairs and see a nigga with a hoodie on with something,
That is racist.
I mean, you seen a nigga that dressed up like a trash bag that's still a fat? You might not be a porch pirate, but that's definitely porch pirate attire. Ain't?
I found everything you're looking for. I said, "Miss, if you don't get the fuck out my face, it is way too early for this." Oh my god. And I walked away. I wanted her to try something. Put my phone
Well,
down.
shouldn't be arguing with people at 8 in the morning. One, it's too early for that. It's too early. People who bother people early in the morning.
She was bothering me.
How's that?
I went to go pick up a gift.
People who wake up early bothering people is evil. And like the little niggas that be fighting on the train 7 in the morning, going to school.
You ever witnessed someone fighting mad early?
Yes.
Like going to school in Yonkers and stuff? So do you have a story?
Yeah.
Let's hear it.
It was a Spanish family.
A family?
Y'all know who this is from the town. It was a family. There was like 3 Spanish girls and they 2 little sisters. There was like 5 of them, Spanish joints.
Damn.
The oldest one was like in 10th grade. I was a senior, so the oldest one was like in 9th grade. Then it would trickle down. So I went to the store next to the pizza shop down the street right there. I went to the store. I would get to school early. They have breakfast in school where you get like BLTs and shit, but I got there too late for that. I didn't want that shit. I wanted the cream cheese bacon. It was cheaper. So I went to the store down the street next to the pizza shop. I got the nigga name who owned it. As I'm coming out there, mind you, it is school starts 7:45. It had to be like 7:13. Dumb early. Like as I'm coming out the store, Wilson was his name. Shout out to Wilson who owned the store. Spanish dude named Wilson. As I'm coming out the store, it is a fucking brawl going on with the 5 Spanish sisters getting their ass beat by some other group of kids that go to the school. When I tell you from the oldest was getting washed to the young, like their whole family was getting beat up. They had on what's the shirt with the strings? I got 2 tops with the strings. It's like that with the top. That on with pajamas and Chinese.
TikTok I bought.
Yes. They had on the 2 top shirts with pajamas, 7 in the morning. They had on pajamas, and everybody in their family had on Chinese slippers. They just came out. When I tell you the 9th grader got washed to the lowest girl in middle school, they whole family, I come out the store, I'm looking, I'm like, oh shit, that's such and such. Banging. Like the oldest one was banging though. Her little sister was down like this. Everybody else in her family was like this, fighting from the ground. They was stomping them little girl. My 7th, they got their ass beat. That was crazy.
It's way too early
Way
to
too
fight
early.
like that.
Way too early.
Do you know why they was like?
I think they told me later. But by the time, I just kept walking. I'm not dealing with that. It's 7:15 in the morning, bro.
In the morning, I don't want to be bothered.
I watched for a little bit, and then I was like, I'm out, bro. I had to walk up a hill to get back to school. So I'm like, I got up there. I was like, oh, they getting washed down the hill, wherever the word wash was back then. They got
Getting
their ass beat.
nasty.
Yeah, niggas got trashed down the hill.
Trash.
Ooh, that's strong. Then I seen a girl that got thrown in Getty Square, thrown through the pizza window. Like Shawn Michaels threw this Marty Shane
Yeah.
through the window. I'm standing across the
The
street. The
glass broke.
police came to everything. She was talking
And he
shit.
died.
She was talking shit about, like, we knew this fight was happening during the day. She was talking spicy with somebody at Roosevelt or going those two other Yonkers school.
Okay.
So I went to Yonkers house for Bill Burrows. So she was talking spicy to somebody at Roosevelt or Gordon. They was like, all right, meet me in the square, bitch. So the whole day the girl was talking. I had like 5 classes. I was like, are you ready, yo? Because she was talking spicy. She's like, God, I'm gonna beat her ass. He ain't gonna play. We all of us walked to the square. I said, fuck, I'm gonna take the 25 bus to come home. So I'm across the street because it's mad people, like regular people, and it's police and shit around. So I'm like, all right, I can see it from the bus. So I'm not missing my bus to watch a fight
Mm-hmm.
because they was prolonging it after a while.
Oh, they were
Oh,
just talking shit.
yeah. Then they seen each other and then they was doing the yelling back and forth. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna just wait for my bus. I turn my hair, all I hear is, oh, everybody, because I was across the street and they like, here. We all did this. I said, oh, they banging. All I hear is, oh, all them little bitches is banging. All you see is this, hair pulling. Then the girl I went to school with, she had glasses. She done knocked her glasses off.
Why'd you fight with glass?
It was on site after that. They was yelling like
You gotta take.
she was walking in like a Warren movie.
You gotta take that shit off.
It was like a gang fight. One person was walking up yelling because they both was birds, so you know they loud. So you hear one girl from across the street down there yelling, "I'm gonna beat your ass." Then you hear the other girl coming this way, pull up. Then they met in the middle in front of the pizza shop. They start grabbing her. All of a sudden, the girl that I went to school with, she got grabbed, spun, and thrown through the window. That's when police came. The glass broke. That's how we heard this. It was like stone cold glass broke. She fell in the pizza shop, man.
Damn.
She threw her in the pizza
There's a
shop.
lot of blood.
Ain't no blood. Like she had like a hoodie and shit on.
Mm.
So it wasn't like I don't think she
Okay,
got
thank
cut.
God, yeah. Cause that glass.
She got thrown into the pizza. Now usually niggas get thrown out. Niggas got thrown in. And that's when everybody was like, oh nah, y'all niggas is wild. Then police came and like
They threw her really hard.
bro, they was
For the
banging.
glass to break.
Bro, they was banging. She threw her in it, but my friend in school was still holding her, so she fell in it with her. That's why it's two bodies on her. So it went like this, and then once it broke, she spun her. So my friend fell in like this with her. Because they were still fighting as the shit broke. Like
Damn.
it cracked first and then it broke. It ain't like one move.
Damn.
Like a stunt, but that shit was bad for her. Then, cause she ain't see this the funny shit. When she got to school the next day, I seen the fight. So I'm like, yo, Shorty got her ass beat. She thought nobody from school seen it and was telling everybody she won, bro.
Did you clarify it?
To the people I knew, I'm like, bro, she lying. I was there. I seen it.
That's
She
hilarious.
told everybody she won. Then the girl found out again, and then they fought again, like later that day after school, because she kept telling everybody I beat her ass. Then the girl,
She's like, beat who ass?
somebody from the school called the girl again, and then the girl was like, "Nah, she lying." They put her on speakerphone.
That's hilarious.
You know, I'm gonna fuck you up again. That's what I'm saying. I respect that shit.
That's a bad bitch right there.
I'm like,
Beasley, am I lying?
that's what she said. She said, I'm gonna beat you up again just for lying.
That's hilarious. Oh, your soda is frozen.
You're like, that's
On the counter?
yeah. Have you seen a fight in Queens?
Uh, man. Let me get the hand. Let's see. Okay, so this girl named Chelsea and Sandy in Queens.
Oh, you saying names? I
Always say names.
find anonymous.
Right? So Chelsea and Sandy were beefing over. I don't remember what they was beefing over, but they was both arguing the whole day in school. So Sandy, I was cool with both of them. I was more closer to Sandy.
Yeah.
Sandy, mind you, Sandy is 4'9", 4'8". Haitian girl. 4'8", yeah, 4'8", 4'9". So she was all right. Bet you want to talk all this shit and meet me on the app. We gonna fight. So now the whole school is involved. Once you say that, the whole school is involved. So,
How can a girl
so it was two separate parties following both of them.
That's how the girl.
Yeah. So it was mad people. Like it. No lie, it had to be like 50 people there. 50 or 60. They met up on. They got off the bus. The 44 bus walked all the way down to the Ave on the Coliseum block. Soon as they got there, it was so much kids, like people, that police came, so they had to move. So they're like, "Yo, we gonna walk up the block." They walk up the block to some back street. Chelsea said something to Sandy. Sandy did one whoop, fucked her all the way up.
So one girl was 4'9". How tall was the other girl?
Like 5'6".
Oh, she's bigger than all.
Yeah. So Sandy, the short one, beat the shit out of fucking Chelsea. And after she beat the shit out of her for like, it was the quickest fight ever. It was like 3 minutes. Like it was really fast. But as soon as she started ragging her, everybody separated. That girl Chelsea ain't say a word the rest of the school year.
Damn.
Like she was, she was one of those girls that, always talking and stuff. Loud talking. She was silenced the rest of the school year for that
Get
fact.
your ass beat and school is over. Until you get your get back.
Yeah.
Like, you gotta get your get back. Like, you have to. No.
Yeah,
Ain't
shout out to
So say you get
Bam.
beat up in September. You is the beat up kid. So you grab, like,
Basically,
that might be your life.
it was. I think it was like in April or May.
Like, it's a difference between getting beat up and bullied. We're not saying bullying is picking on somebody. No, I'm
They just
saying
don't
when
want to
two
fight.
people want
That's
to fade,
bullying.
like, a kid getting bullied don't want to fight. He just want to be left alone. Like, we don't condone that shit. That's pussy shit. But when that bully wants to fight another bully, it's over.
Why is he stalking her?
That's in his brain. You know,
So he's never stalked her.
that's how shorty stalk you. That's how your stalkers be.
That's how my stalkers be.
He is in,
Like,
he is in, this is fake right here in prison.
what
Like
you
the
mean?
ending is real.
So he never left.
Cause they were, remember they're telling the story from, if, if I rewind it, remember he said with his counselor?
Yeah.
And
So he's talking to the
no,
counselor.
it cut quick to him in a padded room trying to break a window.
Yeah.
Why would he
Oh,
be
yeah,
there?
yeah.
See what I'm saying? Why would it cut to that if he ain't do nothing
So
yet?
all this is just in his brain.
Yes. And you gotta remember, he not a reliable, he telling his own story, but it's not reliable. Because the motherfucker's crazy.
Now he gets stand up like baby reindeer.
Hmm.
All kind of shit.
The nigga thought he bagged Shorty from ATL. That's how he knew he was bugging her. Hmm.
But then there was a scene where he ended up in her apartment. She's like, "What are you doing in here?"
Hmm.
So that's real. Like he broke out.
Yeah, because she only
Knew who
know
he
him from
was.
down the
Yeah.
hall. And she more cool with his mother than him. He was like, oh, something happened with your mother. Why you here? He only laughed because they laughed.
Ha 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 ha. You ever been to a stand up? Yeah, me neither.
I don't want to go and get roasted.
That's the same reason I never went. They're gonna be like, look at this fake Nicki Minaj in the front. I'm gonna be like, oh God, I'm out.
You know, she be like, y'all together?
Right?
This is my face. Yes.
I'm gonna be like, stand up. The bitch gonna stand up. Ah.
Think about what do you do? You ain't gonna roast me.
Oh, I'm a YouTuber. Oh, you're a YouTuber. Oh, how original. Like how stand up people be. Or some dumb people.
You right.
I have better handwriting than that.
Your
Little
font
boy.
be that big. Not like the actual font, but
The
your
side.
letters be that big when you write. I'd have cheated on your test. This ain't his brain.
If it was a math test, you'd have failed.
I know this is a dream.
She
That's like
popped up at
that's like
the
somebody knocking on our door right now. It's her. That's a fucking dream.
like what?
Do you have some sugar to borrow? This movie's hilarious. It's hilarious. Shouts to the people getting beat up on the Ave in the square. Now they parents and run the youth. Change people. An ass whooping like that will change your life. Why is this nigga in the hospital with a ham on him for 10? Ah!
The children hospital.
In there with they got cancer, hospice, all kinds of shit. He in there, wow, bro. Guess you gonna lose your job, you dickhead. The liar. And out here snitching. They gonna act like he ain't snitching.
My bad, y'all. I done ate all the lip gloss off my mouth.
And my mouth.
There's a left. Oh, they want to violate?
That's on them, man.
That's on them.
They should took a metro loan. Nobody wants your fries, my nigga. I got a pop on you with that. Privilege. Don't look at me, shorty. Fuck. I gotta, now I gotta help you. Don't say,
Like, help me.
no.
She gave him the look of help me. What the fuck? He can't help it. Busted out laughing.
That's just how some people are. Some people can't defend themselves. They need other people to step up for them. But
She out.
yeah, see, she done started some shit didn't do.
Then she went to the next
What?
car.
Cause she know about to go down. Fuck. Shit, he look like the Joker. I wonder what other villains they gonna bring, like Two Face and
Penguin. They have a penguin one coming, right?
Butter on my shirt, probably.
I got it all on my chin.
Outback. That's it right here.
It was busted for
You
$21 or
ain't
twenty
think
five
you got
dollars.
food like this. This shit right here busted.
Next time I'm gonna get that blooming shrimp.
Shit happened to the same.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, touching them. Nah, that's on your own now.
He got that blicky on him. What?
Oh, you got one hit a quitter. Yeah, that's on them, man. You pop on me on the train. I got my hammer on me. I'm letting that thing
Oh,
go. Don't run now, bitch. Don't run now, bitch.
he is running crying for help. You wasn't doing all that when you was kicking him?
Yeah, about with that lady. I'm like, so I'm glad I got the fuck out of here. Hunts Point.
Not Hunt's Point.
That be you on Fortnite.
Honey behind him.
That's when you see a crown.
Mm-hmm. My crown.
Well, that train conductor, like, what the
Nah, you're not getting away. Ain't nobody else down there either.
done with this?
Yeah.
See the rice buses. Or some drinkings. A little bit of that. It was on. Fucking not even drunk. But it was on you.
He said, I bought this bitch 5 drinks. She wasn't even drunk. Like, you had a lasagna or something?
Like, you be when you still a crown.
Hell yeah. I stole that shit and did. Me running. That's me with the crown running away. Oh, hell no. That's me going to a building to heal.
Man, that boy caught 3 bodies. They did that to themselves. Can't put hands on people. Imagine this motherfucker now. If you got on a clown makeup and mask and hair, I'm not fucking with you, bro. Like, you got it. Look how this nigga look. And he just got fired. He look all sad and shit.
He look crazy.
I'm not, oh, let's fuck with the clown man. I don't know what this nigga got in the bag. This nigga the Terrifier? Oh,
He was a terrifier before the terrifier.
huh. And he from Highbridge? I'm good, bro. Y'all got it.
Now he's just dancing in the bathroom. The fuck? They should have just left him alone. Lesson,
Hmm?
moral of the story.
Long story, leave people alone, mind your business, learn when to leave. This nigga still drinking. That nigga caught 3 bites in his brain. He gotta get some pussy. He being off or some shit.
Yeah, that's a fact. What? Yeah, he dreaming.
No, she ain't even do that in ATL. Fuck. My nigga earned that mad jobs. She was nagging that nigga. Fuck. He took out of Sweden and shit.
Nah, that's mad funny.
And the paper boy had to grind to get that ass up.
That's hilarious. Cause it's a good woke.
Yeah, because you don't want to give him a no.
It's crazy. That was good food.
No, Randall getting him the fucking gun and acting like he ain't give it to him is the problem. All the pills he on. His mama crazy for thinking he gave Batman daddy some pussy.
That's what that.
What if she ain't lying though?
I don't think she was.
You know that vibe?
Mhm.
Batman daddy lying on his dick.
I don't
He
think
hit
she.
there. Hmm?
I don't think she lied about
Oh,
that.
she crazy. I think she let him get abused in the house too. But it said something was wrong with her.
Mm,
I don't know. All this shit make believe at the end of the day.
that's a fact. It's all in his brain at the end of the day.
How is it cold blooded? And then you come outside. They changed Tiffany Stratton music.
So what?
Whatever the new song is. Back
It was good, Outback.
5 stars, Angel. 5 stars.
It was good.
Sound good. Bustin'.
The steak and lobster. Good.
Anything you want to say?
Imagine there's no Outback in Australia.
Damn, like, we don't eat that shit. What? That's what y'all think of? They don't talk black.
They're gonna be like, I'll be like, does Australia have an Outback Steakhouse? What?
They gonna smack the shit out of you.
Like, bitch, no. Imagine. There's no KFC in Kentucky.
This KFC thing I talk. They're bugging.
Nope. I I read that years ago. They probably made one now, but
Damn, there's KFC's there.
mm-mm.
You can't have a Kentucky fried chicken and not be in Kentucky. I mean, hood spots is in Kentucky. That's hilarious. I'll take my honey pack.
Hey yo,
Damn it, I meant to put that on my mashed potatoes. Oh, I'm tired and full.
there's no KFC in Cuba.
No, they got that bigger problems than fucking fake chicken, bro. Niggas got dictators and shit. He was with a Cuban last night.
Oh God. I was I googled where KFC is banned. It said Cuba.
Chicken you ate last night was Cuba.
That's hilarious.
Definitely KFC in Cuba. That's hilarious. I hate when I hate when fake pages yell at artists,
Mm-hmm.
and it's like, bro, you a fake page. Your word don't mean shit. On a
That's
stand page, like your word don't mean shit. Like, if it don't come from the actual person that you're a stand of or you're standing for, like, I'm about to go lay down.
yeah. I'm about to take a break.
Outback,
5 stars.
Chris,
Yeah.
and the side. But till next time, write in the comments what y'all want us to mukbang next.
Yes. Make sure you subscribe.
Like, share, comment, follow, subscribe. Until next time, we out here. Cheers.
Cheers.
Take a sip.